heat map will help you to identify, like where people get confused, where do they go, where they to click. It's quite important. And then like when you're running ads, it's like different thing because you want to look into like do some A/B testing to see how people are reacting to like what kind of copies, creatives, like how they're like when they're clicking in, like how long do they stay, and if there's any like bounce rate. I would say like, in the short time period, it's kind of hard to cover all these important data, but the ones I mentioned definitely quite important. And then how I learned this is also just by like the experience, but also like online, there are like good resources. Like there's some good articles that talk about this. Like let's say if you're like new to this, it'll be really good even just to do like a Google search. You can get good info from the articles that